Hi, this is Jim Breen with Advanced Trading Technologies. I'd like to give you a little demo of how our software works. Today is August 6th, 2015. We're monitoring how the trade is going on the Russell 2000 E-mini futures. Currently, we have the Dow Jones Industrial Average down 140 points. It's 12:13 p.m. In the afternoon, and the market has had a down day overall very quickly right from the morning. We trade the Russell E-mini futures. They trade just like a stock. They represent 2,000 small cap stocks. We also trade the S&P 500 E-mini futures and also the NASDAQ futures. Currently, what's happened so far this morning is the first trade ended up being kind of a break even or just a slight loss. The second trade was a losing trade, so the total between the first two trades of the day was a loss of $472. There was a maximum loss factor if we had hit it, which would have been, take a look here. The max daily loss that would have been allowed was $825. If we hit that amount, then that would shut off trading. This is using $10,000 in capital, trading two contracts. Now, currently in the third trade, which is the last trade of the day, we're showing a profit of $2,060. So if it were to exit this trade at this point, we'd end up still with a profit of about $1,500 for the day. I'm not sure exactly where it's going to finish because I can't predict the future. But I'll just give you a quick glimpse of the S&P 500 trades. It made also a short trade here at a profit today. Made a little loss on the second trade, and then it's in a third trade, which is a short trade, which will undoubtedly end up profitable as well. More than likely, the S&P 500 futures will have a good day today trading the E-mini futures. We also trade the NASDAQ futures. You can see quite a sell-off here. Again, the software went short right here, and it's still in that short trade right now. That will obviously be a very nice trade. Sorry, it didn't show up on the... there we go. It went short here, and it's still in that trade right now. Point I wanted to make about this video is that we can make money when the market is going down, and in fact we often make more money faster in a bad market or a down market than when it's going up. The reason for that is because of the fear factor. When prices drop, they do so rather rapidly and more significantly, typically, than when prices are going up. Why? The reason, there's our trailing stop. We've locked in a profit of $2,340 right now on this last trade. However, if this price continues to drop further, you'll see this trailing stop continue to go down and follow that price. So let me get that over here so you can see it better. And it could get kicked out any second here. As I was starting to say, I think the point is that when the market's moving down, it can do so rather rapidly. We can make more money oftentimes when the market is having a bad day. Right now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is down 145 points, and the composite index is down 96. Once that fear starts kicking in, you see, it's like a herd of elephants all trying to go out a small door at the same time. It can get pretty dramatic.
Order filled.
All right, so our trailing stop got filled. There was the close of that position, and so on that, total for the day was a profit of $1,865. So anyway, I hope that this has been a good demonstration of how our software works, where it's fully automated. You only need to spend about 2 minutes to set it up the day before, just putting in 5 or 6 numbers, and then once you've done that, then it's ready to trade the next morning. And you can go about your business, and you don't need to sit there and watch it all day. So it frees you up to go and have a life, and allows you to participate in the market like a professional, even if you've never had any previous trading experience before. And you have, I think, a better than even chance of making money. That concludes our video. I invite you to give me a call if you have any questions. Oh, by the way, in this demonstration that I gave you today, this was where it made $1,800. That was using $10,000 in capital to trade 2 contracts. Have a good day, and feel free to give me a call if you have any questions.